Hello, welcome to Daily Concept at CAD in Beam. My name is Lucas Chacha and I'm going to be instructor. Without my time, let's get started. In today's concept, we want to look at how you can calculate the quantity of plaster, as you can see on my screen here. So to calculate the quantity of plaster, the first thing you need to do is to get the area, the surface area of your walls, both internally and externally. Once you get the area of your walls, for instance, our case here, this is the external wall. You have this wall, excluding this opening. If you just work with area, as you know that area is usually given by length by width. So area length times width, and then you multiply the four walls, and then you will also exclude the openings. So by doing that, you'll get the area of our walls. Then you convert now this area into volume by multiplying the thickness of our wall, the thickness of our plaster. And for interior walls, we are saying here that for external plastering, we assume a 20 millimeter thickness, and for internal plastering, we'll assume a 12 millimeter thickness of the plaster. So you just say 20, you convert into meters, and then you multiply by the area times length, you get this volume. So once you get your volume here, you'll come and say that now that's like a wet volume. You convert into dry volume by multiplying this constant, that's 1.27, you multiply by the volume you have here. So once you get your volume, now you have your dry volume, that's the dry materials. And then you come now, you check under what ratio are you multiplying, are you doing your mixed ratio for the plaster. We want to assume a mixed ratio of 1:4. As you can see here, I want to assume a mixed ratio of 1:4. So if you assume a mixed ratio of 1:4, then this you will get 1 plus 4, which is 5. So we'll say that for every one single bag of cement, we'll be having 4 wheelbarrows of sand. Therefore, as you will just simply come and say that 1/5, multiply that volume, you'll get the volume of sand of cement that we need, because it's cement, and 4/5 multiply the total volume, you get the volume of sand. So by getting the volume of sand, you can easily get the volume of cement in one bag of cement. In one bag of cement, you know that a bag of cement has 50 kg, and the density of cement is 144. That's the density. So if you divide, if you want to get volume, you can always say that it is weight or the mass. You divide by the density here. That's kilogram per meter cubic. So if you work out this, let's just try to work out here with our calculator and we see what you are getting. That you have 50 divided by 1440. Then that's the volume of one bag of cement, and in total we have a volume of 0.468. So you simply divide by the total volume divided by a single volume of bag of cement, and you will now get the number of bags that are here. So now that you have the number of bags that we need, and we also have the number of sand, the volume of sand that we need, so you can simply order these quantities, this quantity or this amount of sand and this number of bags to do your plaster for this similar work. So that's